Are we going to head lower? Is the bull market over? Is the crash going to continue? Those are the questions in everyone's mind right now. What's going on, everybody? Vitaly Dubin here. Welcome back to Vitaly Dubin Crypto YouTube show. And the stock market is crashing. Tesla is down. Magnificent 7 stocks is down. S&P 500 is down. And Bitcoin is kind of hanging by the thread. But there's a lot of bullish, positive news that are entering right now, which I want to discuss today. And the question is whether we have already seen the worst or we're going to head lower. There's more pain coming. So that's the question today. And should you enter the market right now or wait a little bit for the market to drop even lower? So let's get the show on the go. We're seeing that Bitcoin trading around $82,600 today. It lost the 200-day moving average and it went to $76,400, and yesterday it printed this bullish engulfing candle, which is a good bullish sign. But should we trust the trend reversal? Not yet, because we are rejecting at the moment at an 83,200-day moving average, and as long as we are below this average, it can be quite some time that we are trending below this, like it was in August 2024 until October 2024. It's been 2 months of trading below the 200-day moving average, acting as a resistance. So we might see something similar because there is a lot of uncertainty right now in the stock market. There is a lot of uncertainty about economic policy with the trade war and the tariffs and everything else that is going on. This market is very much driven by the news and what is the shift in the policy. So anything can happen that will push the price much higher. So we've seen the stock market collapsing in a way. This is a weekly performance. The top of the stocks are down. If you look at S&P 500, is falling off the cliff over here. And if you look at the Tesla, for example, Tesla has been absolutely crucially bad, falling to $220 from $490. And the state of the crypto, the altcoins have been going down, like no catching relief rally, just going down and down. And the longs that people are long in the market has been obliterated. A lot of the altcoins are down 80 to 90%, with Ethereum down about 60% and breaking its crucial support of $2,150, currently trading below and trying to see and get back to this zone of 2,150. If Bitcoin is gonna fall to $70,000, $72,000, which is a retest of the previous all-time high achieved over here in March 2024, which is sitting around $73,000, and Ethereum can fall all the way to this zone, this level of about $1,550. So we're not quite there yet, but what is going on in the market? You know, why we're seeing such a drastic fall, and what we can expect moving forward. Well, right now we are in a situation where, again, people are talking about bear market starts now, recession is coming. We've seen similar echoes back then, last year around September. We've seen also around last 2023, Black Swan tomorrow, altcoins are dead, recession is coming. So we've seen it before. The question is, what's going to be happening next? Are we going to see this altcoin season with Bitcoin dominance going down, Ethereum going up, altcoins going up? Because we haven't hit any one of the market cycle top indicator. For example, the Pi cycle top indicator anywhere near its cycle top. So what is happening, guys? What is happening in the that is driving this lower? You can see the crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 coins. In the bear market, it dropped like 85%. We are not there yet. We're like in the 2021, in the May 2021, when it dropped around 69%. We also dropped around these levels of 55% ish approximately. So it's not like as bad as it was during the actual bear market. So we might have this. What happened next in the second half of 2021 was actually altcoins have been rallying, and they have been rallying very, very hard. So Michael Saylor just presented that if US follows his superpower accumulation plan and buys 5.5 million Bitcoin, it could be worth $106 trillion. They're just proposed for what Senator Loomis in the Bitcoin Act bill of buying at least 1 million Bitcoin and holding it for at least 20 years. You should listen to it. I'm not going to play it right now, but this is in the Bitcoin Policy Institute. And if this Bitcoin Act bill of 2025 is going to be approved, well, it will mean that the US government is going to buy a lot more Bitcoin without costing it to the taxpayers. And other countries are also following suit with the contemplations of the Bitcoin strategic reserve. So Bitcoin retraced 50% of its larger last major upward move, around retesting this 100 exponential moving average, similar to the local bottom that we've seen back then in 2024. So is likely we're going to rebound from here, and this lagging period of the global M2 supply, which there is more money in the world, but Bitcoin is not catching up immediately. It takes some time for it to catch up, the price to catch up for the rise of the global money supply. So let's see what the next couple of months is going to be in store for us. We are currently on a weekly RSI level, which is again signifying a local bottom. If we hold this RSI level on the weekly, if you break it, of course, it breaks the structure, and then we are going to be in trouble. But we are not there. So the reason why this is happening is because of the $9 trillion debt, and how the U.S. government wants maybe to spook the market, to sell the stocks, to refinance this debt with basically a lower amount of interest rates. It's trying to force. There is more rate cuts that are right now, basically more rate cuts that are planned to be coming from the Federal Reserve, which will inject more liquidity into the market. So that's in a nutshell how it goes. So in the immediate short term, for the next couple of months, I do see that we have the potential to chop around below the 200-day moving average, maybe touching the $72,000 level, and then going to higher levels again. So you need to be very, very careful right now. We are in this correction. This correction is not something unusual. We've seen correction before of more than that, of 32%, of 22%, but right now it's 28%. So in this bull market, we've seen a correction of 32%. So do we still have some power in the tank? I believe so. Look at the previous week of how we closed. I think we have some more power. We just need to have, it's just a matter of time, as the White House confirms that the U.S. Treasury and Commerce Departments are committed to buying Bitcoin for strategic reserve. And now with this OCC letter allowing for the initiative to actually for the banks to self-custody crypto and to be a node on the Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum nodes, which is very, very bullish for crypto. And 21 countries are considering Bitcoin reserve. So that's something not to take in unlikely. And Fidelity fights to add staking for Ethereum ETF. It's a massive win for Ethereum, because if Fidelity, a big bank, is gonna add stake in ETF, right? It's gonna mean the demand for Ethereum is gonna increase, because the staking rewards is gonna create a passive income source. Okay, we have the third largest stock market in Europe. Deutsche Börse launches Bitcoin custody. They have 1.3 trillion euros in the trade volume. So this is big. Again, this is amazing news that is happening right now. And I think the plan is to be patient right now. we're gonna see a little bit of choppiness, a little bit of blood in the we already seen in the stock market, and then it's gonna be the end of quantitative tightening and start of quantitative easing, starting to print more money, and that's how it goes. That's how it goes. So um, better times are ahead of us. Better times are ahead of us. Michael Saylor is raising up $21 billion for more Bitcoin through an offering. So they're going to buy more and more and more Bitcoin. More billions of dollars of Bitcoin is coming. So my thoughts about the situation: stacking spot. Okay, buy spot, buy more Bitcoin, buy more Ethereum. Those are the ones. XRP also, a lot of the XRP ETFs are coming. So buy, stack it, and be careful with leverage. Don't play with leverage, because it's just messes up with your mind, and it creates the illusion that you are this overconfidence that is gonna take you, is gonna take you. So you can win money, of course, with leverage, but it was such a high volatility and moves, basically caused everyone to be wrong about this market, and the market actually got down. Um, so that would be my advice for you: be patient, stack it, stack more Bitcoin, stack more Ethereum, stack more XRP, and I will see you guys in the next update for the market. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.